Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I'll explain one command called copy with mates in SolidWorks assembly. See, what does this copy with mates option do? For this, first I call a part, insert component, browse. I select a rectangular plate which has 4 holes, and see that these 4 holes are just created here and there. The position of the hole, see, these holes I didn't use a pattern option. If we have used this pattern option to generate these holes, we can use these options, pattern options, linear component pattern, circular component pattern, if holes are in pattern wise. But these holes are not like that. Then if we insert a pin in any one of the hole, see, I go for insert component, browse, pin, open, go for mate, I contact with surface, now to insert this pin all these 3 holes. See, if these holes are created by using pattern option in part molding, then we can use these options, any one of these options, linear component or circular component or feature driven component. If it is not like that, then simply go for copy with mates option, select component. So this component has 2 mates, one is concentric and another is coincident. We need to do is just select that option concentric, select this hole, select this whole surface. Now you can see pin is positioned with this axis, whole axis. Then select coincidence option and select on the surface. Now pin is placed in this hole, go for OK. Again repeat the same thing, select this option, select cylindrical whole surface, then the surface of the plate, go for OK. You can see another pin placed in that hole. Again repeat the same thing, select whole axis, then surface on the plate. Like this, with the help of this copy with mates option, we can insert a component into number of holes. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.